श्रोतागण में उपस्थित सभी वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण को ग्रुप क्रमांक 5 के सभी सदस्यों की ओर से सादर नमस्कार। भारतीय विमानन अकादमी ने इस वर्ष हमें यह अवसर प्रदान किया कि हम पाठ्यक्रम के अलावा अतिरिक्त गतिविधि में भी हिस्सा लें। अकादमी की इस पहल का हम सब स्वागत करते हैं, धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करते हैं, अभिनंदन करते हैं। इस शुभ अवसर पर हमारे ग्रुप ने विचार किया कि क्यों न भारतीय विमानपत्तन प्राधिकरण में अभी तक का हमारा अनुभव, हमारा ज्ञान, हमारा दर्शन आप सबसे साझा करें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं मेरे अपने विमानपत्तन सूरत अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विमानपत्तन से। मेरा नाम केदारेश्वर शर्मा है एवं मैं प्रचालन विभाग में बतौर कनिष्ठ कार्यपालक मई 2022 से पदस्थ हूँ। घर से दूर आने के बाद इस विमानपत्तन पर कभी लगा ही नहीं कि मैं अपने परिवार से दूर हूँ, बल्कि अब तो प्रतीत होता है जैसे ये भी मेरा एक परिवार ही है। प्रचालन विभाग में मैंने सीखा कि जिस तरह आपसी सामंजस्य एवं तालमेल से बड़े जहाज में बैठे यात्रियों को अपने गंतव्य तक पहुंचाया जा सकता है, उसी प्रकार जीवन में भी सामंजस्य एवं तालमेल से बड़े लक्ष्य तक पहुंचा जा सकता है। कोई भी त्योहार हो या कोई भी पर्व हो, संगठित होकर एकता में उसे मनाना मैंने यहीं से सीखा है। विमानपत्तन पर तैनात केंद्रीय औद्योगिक सुरक्षा बल की टुकड़ी से मैंने सीखा कि किस तरह अनुशासित होकर कार्य करने से बड़ी विपत्ति से बचा जा सकता है। तापी के किनारे बसे इस खूबसूरत शहर ने न केवल विमानपत्तन की प्रगति के नए आयाम दिए, अपितु विकास की संभावनाएं भी प्रदान की है। आशा है हीरो का ये शहर हीरे की तरह ही चमकता रहे। आइए मेरे ग्रुप के बाकी सदस्यों से भी उनके अनुभव के बारे में जानते हैं।
Hello everyone, this is Vaibhav Bansal, JE Ops from Madurai Airport. It's been a great working at the Madurai Airport for the past 6 months. Not only did I get to know about the working of the operations department at the Madurai Airport, but also about all the other departments under the able guidance of our Madurai APD, Shri D. Baburaj sir. From having the privilege to take part in the PCOL inspection conducted by the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language, to having witnessed the celebration of Independence Day and Onam, having been able to take part in organizing the Airport Advisory Committee meeting at Madurai Airport, to having been able to witness the beautiful temples and the rich culture of Tamil Nadu. It's been a wonderful 6 months at the Madurai Airport. Thank you everyone.
Hello everybody, I'm Yatish Kumar, Junior Executive Operations Airside Management from Chennai Airport. I have joined Airports Authority of India in May 2022 and I have been handling airside here at Chennai Airport from August 2022, and it's been a privilege to work in airside here at Chennai Airport under guidance of Shri Raju Sir GMGFS and Shri Jayavardhan Sir Joint GMGFS. Having a great experience like handling full emergency, handling specific bomb calls and medical emergencies, and witnessing world's largest aircrafts like Antonov 1 to 4. It's been a steep learning curve always, which made my job here at Chennai Airport an interesting and dynamic one. Looking forward to gain more and more skills and grow in the aviation sector. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Divyanshu Shankar, Junior Executive Airport Operations, currently posted at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata. So after a long, arduous journey for government jobs, I finally landed at Airports Authority of India as Junior Executive Airport Operations. It was a huge sigh of relief for both me and my family. Posting was to be done at Kolkata. It created mixed feelings because I expected to be posted at a small airport as I hated the rush and commotion of a metro. I could understand Bengali language, so language was not an issue for me. After joining and being given a small pep talk by GM Mr. H. Pulla sir, we certainly felt motivated. His words were, "Let the city grow into you." I took his advice quite seriously. Slowly, I visited many places at the city and I fell in love with this city, its people, rich cultural heritage and cuisines. We were given responsibilities at the airport as airport managers, which was definitely a big challenge for us with Kolkata being a big international airport. But we did learn and grow with the help of our seniors who helped us and lent support at each point of dilemma. From managing trolleys to the facilitating several dignitaries, from attending medical emergencies to ensuring cleanliness, from participating in anti-hijacking and bomb threat mock drills to implementation of SOPs, there was a plethora of enriching and diverse experiences. We learned to work in a diverse, challenging environment with multiple stakeholders at play. We are still in the learning phase and expect that the training would definitely incorporate well.
Good afternoon. My name is B. Alok Kumar. I am Junior Executive Operations. Presently, I am posted in Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport, Patna. As the name suggests, it is named after a great independence activist and political leader Sri Jayaprakash Narayan. Patna is one of the ancient city on the bank of river Ganga. Patna Airport is 14th busiest airport in India with the capacity of 2.5 million passengers annually. We are currently undergoing an ambitious expansion project that include a new 2-level passenger terminal building. I cordially welcome you all to please visit Patna Airport. It is my privilege to serve this beautiful airport and had a wonderful experience in past 6 months. I hope to cherish some more glorious moments in this organization.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahend Pratap, currently posted Junior Executive Airport Operation at VSI Airport, Port Blair. It has been a great experience working at a VSI Airport, Port Blair. Not only did I get to know about the working of the operation department of the operation, but also about the other department, motor transport section, safety management, airside operation. It is my privilege to take a part of G20 movement, Parliament Committee movement, Chairman movement, and also I participated in tree plantation, Hindi Pakhwara safety program, and airport advisory committee meeting. Port Blair being capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Port Blair is famous for historic cellular jail and other small islands, carving Cove, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island, and Swarajdi. It was a wonderful experience working at a VSI Airport, Port Blair. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Ashutosh, Junior Executive Operations from Darbhanga Airport. It's been a magnificent journey in Darbhanga for more than 6 months. There has been a great learning and responsibility hovered over by me at airport, like handling the operations all alone, complete tendering of MESS housekeeping works. I also got exposed to commercial section and CSO responsibilities, and also empty sections in between. I participated in various events in Hindi Pakhwada. I also conducted various events under Vigilance Awareness Week. Interestingly, also went through lots of ifs and buts in vigilance audit. It's nice to visit Syama Mandir and Postal Training Center in Darbhanga. I felt privileged to meet several Nepali people at the airport, and now enjoying virtual training session of Indian Aviation Academy with you all. Overall, it's a memorable and mesmerizing experience.
अब हम सभी बढ़ चले हैं अंतिम पड़ाव की ओर। इससे पहले हम सभी आप श्रोतागण से विदा लें, हम लोगों की तरफ से ये 4 पंक्तियाँ। समंदर भर सिलेबस है, नदियाँ भर पढ़ पाते हैं, बाल्टी भर लिख पाते हैं, लोटा भर याद रहता है। समंदर भर सिलेबस है, नदियाँ भर पढ़ पाते हैं, बाल्टी भर लिख पाते हैं, लोटा भर याद रहता है। अब ध्यान से सुनिए आगे। परीक्षा में हमें चुल्लू भरना आता है और उसी में डूब मरते हैं, चुल्लू भरना आता है और उसी में डूब मरते हैं। तो इन्हीं पंक्तियों के साथ हम सभी आपसे विदा लेते हैं।